Alan Neckman of Agora Financial joins us now for the weekly options alert. Let's get your trader talk, and I know you like to talk broader picture.
Yeah, let's talk about this being a stock stall, not a fall. Let's remember the S&P, the Dow, and tech are all still up 15% in 2019. So we've taken a little bit of a break. Let's see where we go next.
Let's take a look at some of your WPI trade trackers.
Right, it's all about the macro market. So we want to talk about, we've got some time in our options, but overall, these positions are not performing, not doing a whole lot right now, just as the market tries to figure itself out. So the October options, we've got some plays in Hewlett-Packard, some Starbucks, and some Facebook. We'll have to wait and see. We've got 3 months of time, but let's remember, even after the sell-off yesterday in the stock market, the S&P is still only 3% from the all-time top.
How's your chip stack holding up?
November, we've got AMD hanging around this 30 level, we've got Exxon, and we've got the Russell 2000. But more importantly, those are November options. So let's get back to the strategy that's been successful here so far this year, and actually longer than that, is buying these in-the-money options with plenty of time, but following what the smart money is thinking in the big picture. So we've got some time for this to develop. We also have a December option, and we want to remind everyone that this market has seen higher highs each and every month, so that's very much a positive.
That is a positive. And for your WPI trade trigger, Verizon on your list.
Verizon, a Dow dog. It's up about half as much as the Dow has been so far in 2019. Recently, it's had this little momentum move, and it's right near the highs. So if it can break out, it's been trading between 52 and 62. That target 72 in the big picture was 20% higher. This stock, I did some research, was at $70 in 1999, so that's not far-fetched. The November 57.5 call, in the money option, 45 days of time, and let's see if it can kick through this 61, 62 level and really get going.
What are your trading floor takeaways for today?
Number one, quarter climb. This is back to back to back positive quarters, and we also saw the S&P and the Dow up 2% in September, so that's very positive.
All right, number two.
2040 backtrack. We talked 2040 in the S&P for the longest time. Those were the tops in August. We broke out above that. As markets often do, they come back. Now let's see how that acts as a floor. It was a ceiling before, and now it's a floor. Let's look for that to be a super, super weekly support level to lean on.
And then number three.
Free trade. Oh, it's not about the trade tariffs. No. Free trade. What's the biggest news? Brokers now are doing commission-free trades on stocks. Now, I was looking at the numbers yesterday. Schwab is going to let you trade stocks for free, but it's going to be 65 cents per option. So that's still a tiny, 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 tiny amount. Oh, I can't remember I didn't want to get into what it used to be when I was a young kid. And we also have tighter spreads than we ever had before. So your options trade in pennies a lot of time. So you've got a low barrier for entry and exit, so you can execute your trading plan to be successful.
All right, excellent job today. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.